Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 28th of December, 2023. Bulls tightened their grip on the market on the final expiry of the calendar year 2023, as benchmark indices touched fresh record highs, and also finished higher for the fifth consecutive session on December 28 amid buying across sectors and positive global cues. At close, the Sensex was up 371.95 points, or 0.52% at 72,410.38, and the Nifty was up 123.90 points, or 0.57% at 21,778.70. Top gainers on the Nifty were Coal India, NTPC, M&M, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories and Hero Motocorp, while losers included Adani Enterprises, Eicher Motors, LTI Mindtree, L&T, and Adani Ports. Talking about the corporate segment, we have the share price of Man Industries, India, zoomed 5% intraday on December 28 after the company announced successful testing of its pipes for safe hydrogen transport. The testing has been conducted by a leading European research center for hydrogen transport, ensuring structural integrity and safety for the fuel, the company said. This certification safeguards against challenges related to hydrogen small molecule size permeating materials more easily than other gases, it added. Shares of Housing and Urban Development Corporation, HUDCO, surged 18% to hit a fresh record high on December 28 on signing a Memorandum of Understanding with the state government of Gujarat. The MOU for an investment of up to 14,500 rupees crore for financing the housing and urban infrastructure projects in the western state. HUDCO expressed its interest in executing this MOU under the financial services sector in the form of financial assistance, as per its objectives and guidelines to the state government of Gujarat for eligible sector projects through term loans for infrastructure projects, the company informed in a regulatory filing. The share price of KP Energy was locked at 5% upper circuit in early trade on December 28 on the news that the company's board would consider bonus shares at its meeting on December 30. A meeting of the board of directors of the company is scheduled to be held on December 30 to consider the proposal for issuing bonus equity shares to the shareholders. The board will also consider and approve an increase in authorized share capital of the company to accommodate the issue of bonus equity shares, if any. Shares of SULA Vineyards Limited traded for 0.5% higher on December 28 after the company announced that its wine tourism business received over 5,000 customers on the Christmas Eve, marking an all-time high. During the festive weekend from December 23 to 25, there was a notable increase in the number of visitors, setting records for single-day, 2-day, and 3-day attendance. Over 12,000 individuals explored SULA's wine tourism facilities in Nashik and Bengaluru during this period. LUPIN share price gained 4% on December 28, after the company received the United States Food and Drug Administration approval for loprednol etabinate ophthalmic suspension. The company has announced that it has received approval from the United States Food and Drug Administration for its abbreviated new drug application for loprednol etabinate ophthalmic suspension, 0.2%. This drug is a generic equivalent to the reference-listed drug Alrex ophthalmic suspension, 0.2%, of Bausch & Lomb Incorporated. The product will be manufactured at Lupin's Pithampur facility in India. The loprednol etabinate ophthalmic suspension is used for the temporary relief of the signs and symptoms of seasonal allergic conjunctivitis. Banker Biolu Limited in daily time frame is trading around 87.65 points with a change of 19.99% and is trading with a net volume of around 1.353 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 74.27, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 79.31. Secmark Consultancy Limited in daily time frame is trading around 132.15 points with a change of 19.97% and is trading with a net volume of around 454.467 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 101.51, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 77.70. Lagnam Spintex Limited in daily time frame is trading around 96.30 points with a change of 19.00 0.04% and is trading with a net volume of around 590 for 2,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 85.29, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 69.01. For the stock recommendation we have, IndusInd Bank Limited looks good and can be bought at 1,613 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 1,582 rupees and a target of 1,648 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.